Hey guys, welcome to Throwback Thursday. As you can see in the background, the pigs, they're still back there somewhere. At the end of 2017, we thought we would get rid of these two. Still hadn't, but it's still in the works. We've added two more. And I thought I would just give you a little clip today of Danny trying to collect poplar seeds earlier in the year with the pigs. Thank you guys for joining us.
Go on now, go on. Okay guys, we are down here, we're going to gather up some poplar seeds to plant some little poplar trees if the pigs will leave me alone. They think there's something here to eat, so. The animals here seem to want more attention than anything else, I suppose. Okay,